You know, sometimes fear doesn't even knock. It just jumps right in. 1 second, everything's calm. And the next, you're screaming louder than you ever thought you could. It's funny how our brains react. Fight, flight, or just freeze like a statue. Some people run, some scream, some just drop everything and stare in shock. And what's even better, watching it happen in real time. You can feel that mix of surprise, panic, and pure confusion. It's the most honest reaction a human can have. No filter, no pretending. Just real emotion caught on camera. You see, that's why we love scare pranks. They show us the truth, who's brave, who's dramatic, who's about to sprint out of the room without looking back. Sometimes the best reactions come from the calmest people. You think they'll handle it well, until the lights flicker or something jumps out.